A lot of people are asking if IRCC or CIC is really working on applications or not, because there are too many rumors about the processing, and a lot of people are saying that their applications have crossed normal processing time. Well, we know the situation, like we are in COVID-19 pandemic, and a lot of services across the world have been disrupted and at least not running at their 100% potential. So the same applies here. So in order to clarify this, IRCC has published a statement on Facebook. So that is what you can see here on the screen. They have clearly written, like, due to COVID-19 service disruptions, we are unable to provide accurate processing timelines. Of course, that makes sense. Please note that we cannot offer a response to any questions on the turnaround for processing of applications at this time. Now, next they have specified what applications they are really working on. We continue to process study permit and work permit applications submitted online and permanent residence application. So study permit, work permit, which have been submitted online, and permanent residence applications. Paper applications for visitor visa, study and work permit will not be processed until further notice. So that they have already clarified. We are processing paper-based permanent residence applications to the extent possible. So when you say paper-based permanent residence applications, spouse sponsorship, parent sponsorship, other things come under this category. We will contact you once there is an update regarding your application. So that is in place. Please note, it is not possible to resubmit a paper-based PR application online. So definitely, like, let's say somebody wants to go for spouse sponsorship, that application cannot be submitted online. So that makes sense. So, and similarly express entry, that you only submit online. So this is what it is, guys. We know that what applications they are working on. This statement was issued yesterday, but today I'm making the video, so that is why you are seeing the screenshot that I took. So they are working, and recently they published information about visitor visa and ETA also. So that is what the case is now, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in mind, feel always free to ask. Thank you, guys.